friends, it's Miss Hoskins. So today's letter is H. H is for helicopter, or also my last name, Hoskins. So first, we're gonna start out by making an oval. Next, I'm going to draw a line up here, straight line, and then do an X at the top. Next, I'm going to draw a diagonal line, another diagonal line so it connects, and I'm going to draw an X at the point, which is this part. Then I'm going to come over here and write an L. So this is usually where the pilot will sit, and I'm gonna draw a window. So I'm gonna draw a circle. Next, I'm gonna come down here and draw a straight line down, another straight line down over here, and draw a line left to right like this. Okay, so already you see the outline of our helicopter. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to write here, our letter H is for helicopter, okay? And I'll also write up here, just so that we can practice writing our H again. I'm gonna write a capital H in the corner and a lowercase h next to it. Okay, so there you go. So I'm gonna choose red. And again, you can color your helicopter however color you want. You can do a rainbow color, whichever. They come in all different colors. But I'll do red for Holcomb red. And then you just keep going and fill in your picture however you want. You could add some detail, maybe draw some birds or some clouds, however you want to decorate it. And then I will show you my finished copy, which looks like this. And remember, today's letter is H. H says and it stands for helicopter today. So think about what letter we are gonna do next and what picture I'll be showing you. Until then, have a good day.